I want to see Mommy get a shot, she says. One day, Daddy was driving us somewhere, and Jade kept asking, "Where are we going?" Daddy said, "Mommy has a doctor appointment." Right away, Jade got curious. "Can we go in too?" Daddy said, "No, you, Bruce, and I are just going to wait in the car while Mommy goes to her appointment." Jade immediately went, "Ah, can we please go in too?" Daddy laughed and asked, "Why?" And Jade said, "Because I want to see Mommy get a shot." Little did Mommy know that one doctor appointment would turn her into Jade's favorite patient. After that day, Jade became completely obsessed with giving Mommy shots using her pretend doctor kit. She would go zing, 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 zing all over Mommy's body. Arms, back, chest, neck, waist, and even her butt. Like 20 shots in a row. Meanwhile, Daddy and Jade would sit there laughing while Mommy pretended to suffer dramatically. "Ah, no more shots, please." At one point, Mommy asked, "Where did you even learn the zing, zing, zing sound from?" Daddy said, "One of the Bluey episodes." And then baby Bruce saw all of this happening, so of course he started copying too. Then Daddy started teaching Bruce, "You do it like this. Zing on Mommy's arm, zing on Mommy's leg." And somehow, the whole family turned against Mommy. Now, every time someone mentions a doctor's appointment, we remember the day Jade said, "I want to see Mommy get a shot." And Daddy still laughs and says, "Yeah, because she wants to know how you feel." Mama says, "Sometimes kids aren't trying to be mean. They are just curious about our world. And somehow, one funny question can turn into a funny joke that lasts for years." The end. Mama says, "Big tales for tiny ears." Mama says, "There's always another story waiting for you."